The challenge a lot of us with ADHD have is cleaning up after ourselves. Not because we're messy, but because often our mind is on to the next thing once we have satisfied our requirement, which is make the sandwich, pour the cereal, reheat our dinner, whatever it is. There's going to be some things left over because we've satisfied the minimum. We are ready to eat. And we often forget to go back and clean up after ourselves. So here's a principle. My father, retired Army Ranger, and autism and dyslexia, where I got it from. He shared a principle with me when I was around a teen, and it has served me very well since then. I asked him, well, how do I know when I'm done? Because he kept finding something else for me to clean up. And his principle was this: it should look like you were never there. And as long as I follow that principle, it serves me well. So I hope it is useful to you as well. If you decide to try it out, you can let me know how it works for you. I'd love to know that the things I'm sharing are actually helpful. So we'll catch you next time.